Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed exercise 3.2. Today I am going to start the new chapter addition and subtraction. So how to add the numbers and subtract the numbers. So first one, addition of numbers. So first one, how to add the numbers. So take any numbers 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 0. So how to add these two numbers? So just write down the numbers below one another. Okay. So first, what is this number? 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5. Okay. This is one number and another number. Here also 6 digits are there. Here also 6 digits are there. So write down the number 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 0. Add it. So how to add the number? 5 plus 0, 5 only. Next 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, this is the answer. What is the answer? So, if you want to say 4,79,755. So, this is the addition of number. So, take another number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 8, 7, 6, 3, 9. So, how to add this number? So, write down the number first 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2. Okay. So next here also 7 digits. So write down the number below to one another. Okay. 3, 5, 8, 7, 6, 3, 9. Add it. 2 plus 9, 11, 1. So carry. So here 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 6, how much? 9 plus 6, 15, no? So write down only 5, 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16, so 1 carry. Next, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. What is that? 16. Next, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the number in Indian system? 92,66,571. Okay, this is the addition of numbers. Next concept is the subtraction of numbers. So how to subtract the number? So first write down this number. We have to subtract this number from this number. So first write down this number 8, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 0. So next, here how many digits are there? 7 digits. So here also 7 digits. So write below to one another. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 0. So subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0 again. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the number? 42,31,110. Second one. So how to subtract this number? So first write down this number 4, 6, 6, 7, 3, 9, 5 and 6. So next number 3, 8, 1, 2, 7, 4, 9, 2. Okay. So subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4. Here 5 is there, here 9 is there. So take it here 10. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9. How much? 15 minus 9, 6. So we have taken 10 now. So take it as 8. Here we have taken 8. So 9 is there. So we should take it 8 minus 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 4, 4 only. So next here 3 is there, here 7 is there. So smallest number. So again take the 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 minus 7, how much? 6. 6, that means you have taken 1, 10 carry on, so 1 cancel. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. Next, 6 minus 1, 5. So here 6 is there, here 8 is there. So take 10 carry, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 minus 8, 8. So 1 cancel, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the answer? 85,46,464. So workbook exercise 4.1. So first one, sum of two numbers is 5,000. The numbers are, so they are given the options here. So option first one is not possible, second one, third one is possible. So option C. Option C. What is the numbers? 45,000 and 5,000. So add these two, what will be the answer? So 4,500, sorry 45,000 and 5,000. So 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the answer? 5,000 will get the answer. So option C. So second one, difference between 9,003 and 9,000. 9,003 and 9,000 is how much? Option A. Option A. Answer 3. Just subtract these two numbers. So you get the answer 3. So next third one. Sum of 3,080 lakh and 3,80,000, 2,10,000 is just add it. What will be the answer? 3,80,000, 2,10,000. So 4 zeros as is 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. 5,90,000. So what is the answer? Option D. Option D. Option D. So next fourth one, the sum of digits in the 10 lakh places of the numbers. 10 lakh places. So you should add the numbers. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So answer. So first number is 1. 1 plus 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 6. Add 1 plus 6, 7. So what is the option? Option D. Option D. Answer 7 1. Next, fifth one, the difference between the digits in the crore place of these numbers. Crore place was 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That means 1 plus 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 plus 1, 2. So option D. This is also option D. Answer 2 no. Next, sixth question. The sum of the digits in the billion and the million places of the number. This number they given. So first find out the million and million places. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next million. So million is million place is 2. First find out the billion place. Next million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Billion place is 4 no. So 4 plus million place is 2. So how to write that? Like this. This is million and this is billion. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So option D. Option D. Next, seventh one. The sum of the largest 5-digit number and its successor is. So first write down the largest 5-digit number. So first, how to write the largest 5-digit number? So this is largest 1-digit number, largest 2-digit number, like this. They ask 5-digit number. 99999. That is 99,999. And its successor. Successor means plus 1. What will be the answer? Successor means 1 lakh. 99,999. Successor next number that is 1 lakh. So sum they ask is add 9 plus 0 9. again 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. Sorry, 1. So what will get the answer? 1,99,999. So what is the answer? 7 1, 1,99,999. So next, difference between the smallest 7-digit number and its predecessor. So first write down the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest means how to write that one? So first this is smallest 1-digit number. Next this is smallest 2-digit number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there are some difference now. And its predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. This is 10 lakh minus 1. What will get the answer? 9,99,999. So subtraction. This is the predecessor of 10 lakh. So subtract it. Here 0 is there. So you can take back 10. 10 minus 9. 1. So here cancel. Again 10. 10 minus 1 already cancel. 9 minus 9. 0, isn't it? 0. So again cancel. 9 minus 9, 0. Again cancel. 0. Again cancel. 0. Again cancel. 0. Here we have taken 10. So here also carry. So 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. And its predecessor is a 1-digit number. How many digits are there? Only 1 digit, no? So answer is 1-digit number. Next, 9th one. The number of lakhs is the sum of these two numbers. So first add these two numbers. After that find out the number of lakhs, please. So add these two. 704532 plus 658843. So this is number 1, this is number 1. So add it. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 8, 13. So 1 carry here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13 again. So 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Next 7 plus 6, 13. So you will get the answer 13,63,375. But they ask number of lakhs. Number of lakhs. How many lakhs? 13 lakhs. No? How many lakhs? Number of lakhs is 13. What is the answer? 13. So next, find the difference when we subtract 5 lakh from 8 lakh. So how to find out this one? Just subtract it. 8 lakh. This is 8 lakh and 5 lakh. Subtract it. What will be the answer? 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. So what is the answer? 3 lakh. Next 11th one. Add these two numbers. So how to add this? Just addition. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So what will get the answer? 2 plus 3, 5. All numbers are same means everything is 5 only. So answer is 5,55,555. So next 12th one. Solve means here subtraction. Then subtract it. So number 477342 and 477341. So subtract it. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. So next, add 10,500 to 40,000 and subtract 2,000 from the sum. From the sum means first you have to add these two numbers. After that, subtract 2,000 from this sum. What you get the total result, total answer? In that sum, you should subtract the 2,000. So first add these two. 10,500, 40,000. So add 0 minus 0, sorry 0 plus 0, 0. again 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5. So in this sum, you should subtract 2,000. What will be the answer? 50,500 minus 2,000. Here only 4 digits are there. You should write only 4 digits from here, from right side to left side. 4 digits, 4 digits. So now subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5. 0 means here you have to take 10, 10 minus 2, 8. That means 1 minus 5 minus 1, 4. What will get the answer? 48,500. Next 15th one, first question. What should be added to this number to get a sum of this number? So how to solve this one? So what should be added to this number to get the sum of this number? This is the final result. What should be added to this number? That means subtraction of these two numbers. Subtract this number from this number. So how to solve that one? 15a. So subtract 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 9, 0 and so what is this number? 1, 0, 1, 2, 8, 4, 2. So subtract it. 0 minus 2. 0 means 10 no here. 10. 10 minus 2, 8. That means we have to minus 1. Here 10 again. 10 minus 1, 9 no here. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. So this is 5. Again we have taken 10 means should subtract 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 8, 0 only. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? You should add this number to this number to get the sum of this number. Add 1,37,58 to which number? That number. 28422 to get sum of this number. Sum of so next one, by how much is this number less than this number? So just subtract, you will get the answer. So first write down the number 237009755. Next this number 146078662. So subtract it. 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 6, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. So here 0 is there. So take it 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Isn't it? So here cancel. 9 minus 0, 9. So here 1 cancel. 9 minus 0, 9. Again we have taken extra 10 more here. So 6 minus 6, 0. 3 is there. So 3 means 13. Here take 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 4, 9. So 1 cancel. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So what will be the answer? 90,93,113 is less than is less